Take a ride in the 2025 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front license plate bracket, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.